C.J. Roy, founder and chairman of the Confident Group and honorary council of the Slovak Republic, passed away on 30th January 2026 at the Confident Group office on Hosur Road, Bengaluru. Following the incident, an unnatural death report (UDR) was filed at Ashoknagar Police Station. To ensure a thorough investigation, Bengaluru Police Commissioner Seemant Kumar Singh IPS has formed a special investigation team. The SIT will be led by Joint Commissioner of Police West Zone C. Vamsi Krishna IPS with Deputy Commissioner of Police South Division Lokesh Jagalasar IPS serving as the investigating officer. Deputy Commissioner of Police Central Division Akshay Hake IPS along with senior officers from various divisions and special units will also be part of the team. The SIT has full authority to bring in additional officers and resources as needed. All officers have been instructed to cooperate fully to ensure a lawful, prompt and effective investigation. Authorities have assured that all aspects of the case will be thoroughly examined with relevant updates shared with the public in due course.